how to create a news website in WordPress. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel Webwiz. Today you're gonna learn how to create a news website in WordPress. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically we're going to copy or try to imitate some templates that we're gonna find here in our WordPress. Obviously, you must open wordpress.com, log in into your account, and here in the left menu, you must go into Appearance and then Themes. There you're gonna find a big variety of templates of different websites and usages, and here in Search Themes, I'm gonna write the word News, so this is gonna show me different templates, obviously for this reason. For instance, this one, let's check. You can check that this is gonna be opened obviously from computers, tablets, or mobiles, and this is how you're gonna look at it. Okay, so what you need to do by now is select a template that you would like to use. Be careful because some of these are free and some others you must be a partner here from WordPress, so you must pay an amount of money. But by now I have selected this one. Okay, let me show you that if I click in the three dots and click now in live demo, I'm gonna be able to appreciate what is gonna be the final result of my web page. This is great too. You can go into the different tabs too. So for instance, paintings, and this is like an entry that they have done before. And if I go into the how to say it, the new, you're gonna find this, and this is really cool and easy to imitate. Okay, so by now I have active this, but let's suppose I would like to use this. So you must click on the three dots and click on activate. In that way, you're gonna be able to have your website like this. But if I open my selection and customize, obviously the result is not gonna be the same because the live demo is not as simple as just to replace the items in there. You must create those items here. So what I would like to show you is here in this tab, I'm going to open the live demo in order to have like a example to copy, to imitate. And in this other tab, I'm going to create that. So in the first instance, I don't have these menus, I just have these, but by now I'm gonna show you how to change all that. In our left menu, you're gonna find some options to vary your website. So this first one is the site identity, the site title. So by now this is gonna be Webwiz, the tagline, so your newest info. Let's try like that. You can add a logo also if you would like, and the footer credit. This is default, but you can select some other, like website powered by wordpress.com. Okay, so if I save it, this is how this is gonna work. By now I'm gonna click on save changes. Oh, sorry, I must go in again. So our second menu is the color and background. So I changed a lot my backgrounds, but you can select a feature palette of colors. You can click on more and get some more. And even in this one that I selected, you could switch some colors if you like. Okay. By now I will try the same colors because these are cool and I'm not the best at that. Second of it is are the fonts. So fonts for headings and fonts for some other text. Okay, I'm gonna try like this. Save changes. Okay, I guess I don't have to save changes or I'm going to be kicked out. The menus. So the menus are these. So by now I have added these two, But obviously at the beginning you're not gonna have any of this, so you can create a new menu. I don't know, tech. This is gonna be tech, and you have different locations, so you can add it at the top header menu in this part, bottom header menu in this part, or social menu. I'm gonna try this on social menu. Once you have created, there is not gonna be any menu yet because you have to add items. So I'm going to create a new page whose name is precisely tech. I'm going to click on add, and in that way you're gonna have where it is. I don't see it yet. I don't know where's that location, but you could also go here again and switch the location if you would like. So if I switch it, there is gonna be, okay? Or even in the top header menu, like that. But probably, I mean, these are the different menus that you have. So I first of all get into international. You can add some items, and there I have politics, tech. I'm gonna add those one. This is gonna be in the top header menu. Okay, no, like this. So you can create different menus in different parts if you would like to. Let's continue. The fifth menu are the content options. So you can, I don't know, like post detail, like display date, display categories, tags, author, or you can uncheck these options if you don't like that. By now we are not gonna be able to watch those changes because I don't have any post and I don't have any featured images. So this is gonna be useful in the future. These other options are gonna be able in the future because by now these are not gonna be watched. So let's suppose I would like to imitate precisely this. So I would have to have several entries in order to have all that, several posts. So what I'm trying to do is go into international and make my first post. So let's suppose that I want to imitate this one, okay? So I'm gonna try to copy and paste all this in order to do the same. So if I may click here in edit, I'm gonna open a new page where I'm gonna edit this new part, okay? So the section has the name international, like WordPress or writing, okay? And now let's add a title. So here in this blank document, you have a plus button always. There's gonna be always a plus button, or also here in this corner. And there you're gonna be able to make the entry. This is like a shortcut, but I recommend you also to check this because we have a big variety of options here in WordPress. So let's suppose I'm gonna add a heading, and I'm going to copy and paste that. Now let's continue. There we have a division and an image. So as I told you, I'm gonna add a division. Let me see if I can, yeah, separator. That's the name. Okay, there it is. You can also select the item and switch some other options. So it could be a white line or just dots, whatever you would like. And also the color of the line and the margin that you would like to add, and some advanced options with some code, okay, that I'm not gonna touch by now. And now the image. So again, the plus button, I'm gonna just write media, and by now I want an image. Okay, so you can upload your image, select an image, or insert from URL. I'm going to select, and by now I'm going to select from pixels free photos. Why not? I'm just gonna select this to make this video faster. Let's continue. So in this part, as you can see, there is a division in 2 columns. So I have to do that, and it's easy because, okay, you can, oh, by the way, this is a big image, so you can change the aspect ratio, also make it rounded if you like. So by now The width I would like to be, let's make it, I don't know, like 8, and the height is just gonna be 4, like this. It's gonna be cropped, but there's no problem, and you can align it into the center. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to raise this because this is like the copyright of this photo. Okay, let's continue. So the columns. So I'm gonna write columns, and there you're gonna find a big variety. As you can see, this is the proportion that we need, 33 and 66, because this is a small part and the big part of it. So I'm gonna add it. I'm not sure if I add it. Yes. Okay. Now I have my 2 columns, and in the left column, I have the date and the author. So I suppose there must be an entry to date. Sorry. Date picker, post date. I'm gonna fix it like this. And now the add button is here. So the author, post author, okay? And in the right part, we have some text. Let's select this. So here I'm gonna add just a paragraph, and this is what we have. And we have a tag and published by John Smith. Okay, like some other option, but a bigger one. So let's suppose we have here a tag cloud. By now I don't have any tag yet, okay? And some other author, but this is like post-author biography, I guess. Yes, I guess. And I need to complete this, but by now I'm not going to continue with that. And that's it. It's easy. You just have to like mimic the live demo that you're looking right now. And once you have done your post, this is going to be all elaborated here into your main page and so on. In the process, when you add some more posts and some more menus and that, you're going to be able to get this news web page. And that's it. That's how you can create a news web page with WordPress. Thanks for watching.